talk about me, fuck you Jason. All your enemies you can't face them. We're saying that you got gat shanks and you're Mason, but really you ain't got shit. I know you think you're hard on the mic, but on the street you're not bit. What you talking, you got banged by a little kid. Why are you saying that you got a knife? So stop talking that shite. On the bars you buy, Jamie K give you a fright. Course, hold tight, a kid half your size banged you out that night. What the fuck, what you on about? Double vision in your sight. JK47 thinks he's big, but really he's just a little kid. He thinks when he does his promo, he's a little homo. Thinks he's gonna make it famous, but really he's fucking nameless. When he smokes weed he thinks he's shameless. JK47 can't talk about lunchbox. If hit you, you'll be running to the cop. Jason, just listen, you get kick and a fist and then a kick. You little gay, you're just a prick with his flat hat. Trust me, he says that I'm fat, but he used to be a chunky fat twat. Saying your jaw for the gat in the back, you won't use it. Let her come to Winton and we'll abuse it. Every time someone hits you, you'll never fight back. JK47 don't fucking write back. If you do, I might attack you. You think BH9's your mate, but really we all think you're bait. When we sell you weed, it's fake, you can't even tell. Wanna fight, just give me a bell. You can't bang me, you'll fail. Lunchbox, fuck JK47, pussy up.